These 9 terrorists, very young by the way, from Bidu village in the area of Ramallah, in the Binyamin area, were actually planning to kill and to kidnap one soldier. And as you know, in our society, in our system, kidnapping of the soldier is maybe the worst scenario that we can face, because it actually produces a series of negotiation, tension, psychological warfare. And at the end of the day, in the past, we used to release thousands of prisoners, detainees, in exchange of soldiers, sometimes alive, but sometimes dead. So we have actually prevented such a terrible scenario, but it shows that Hamas has still the intention, the determination from Gaza to continue such attacks within the West Bank, and actually to leave Gaza Strip more or less aside and to act with terror, with violence, with a lot of means, and also with the willingness to mobilize, to recruit new cells within the West Bank, also in Jerusalem, to transfer, I would say, violence from Gaza into the West Bank. And hopefully, as you know, Shabak and the Israeli army with the police have successfully prevent such a terrible scenario.
Wow, it's so complicated. And I mean, what led the Israeli forces to be able to discover this? I mean, this is another thing. Yes, it got foiled, but this is clearly a very difficult time that we're in. And, you know, could there be more things like this that we don't know about being planned?
It's a very good point, very good question. 500 attacks have been foiled. 500 attacks have been foiled this year.
This year alone?
This year alone, by Shabak, with the army. So they are working day and night, every day, every minute, in order to prevent, to foil a terrorist attack against Israel. So such a success, and a personal success, is incredible, because when we arrest 9 terrorists, actually we get information, we get what we need to know about not only this specific cell, but also, I believe, other intention from other cells within the West Bank, and also maybe in other parts of the area.
Wow. Also, not long ago, there was a water operation in Jenin. We hear there's a lot of activity in Jenin. It's just a matter of time until we have another one. I mean, again, Jenin, a lot has happened. Can we expect more problems there?
We can expect more in this area, but the next time, if there is an operation, it should be, I would say, more unexpected from the Palestinian side, because they knew more or less that they were coming, and most of the terrorists left before the army came into the camp. So the next time, hopefully, they will not know, no one will talk about it, and then when the operation will take place, we can arrest as much as possible terrorists within the camp, not like the case before.